Most of us spend our whole life understanding almost nothing about us and the place where we live in. We give a very little thought to our existence, to the things that makes our life possible, to the spinning of earth that causes days and nights, or to the stars that makes our sky look marvelous. Don't you think that we should stop for a while and give a little thought and try to find answers to questions like how do we get here? And more importantly, why are we here? Where did the universe come from? And where is it going? What do we know about our universe and how do we know it? Did the universe have a beginning? And if so, what happened before then? Mankind have been thinking about these questions from a long time, even before we realized it that we were thinking about it. Maybe someday answers to these questions seem obvious to us, as obvious as Earth being round or time being relative. But centuries ago, these answers were not at all obvious. These aren't the sort of things we figured out overnight. It takes years, centuries of collected wisdom of some of the greatest thinkers who spent their whole life finding the answers to these questions, who spent their whole life taking out the naive mankind from vague religious precepts. This is an attempt to pay a tribute to those few thinkers, to find out how did they figure it all out, how did they get to know what they didn't know. This is a voyage of our beginning to our future. This is the story of us